Namaste, I'm Mini and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making vegan lentils bolognese. Bolognese sauce is an Italian tomato-based sauce mainly made using onion, celery, carrot and basil. This is one of those few recipes which became part of my meal on a weekly basis as it's easy to prepare, time efficient, nutrient rich and so delicious. If you are new to my channel, I make easy vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's get started. Step number 1. Prepare the base. To a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil gets hot, add 1 medium thinly sliced onion. Cook the onion over medium heat till it's slightly golden brown. After 5 to 7 minutes, check the progress and make sure to stir it in between so the onion doesn't burn. Then add 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 medium chili finely chopped. Stir fry them for 2 minutes over low heat. Step number 2. Add vegetables. Starting with mushrooms, around 200 grams. I couldn't get my hands on fresh mushrooms, so I'm using the canned ones, but try to use the fresh ones if possible. Then add some finely chopped celery, 2 roughly chopped carrots. You may add any other vegetables of your choice as well. Mix everything and let it cook over low heat for 5 to 6 minutes. You will notice that the celery leaves will shrink in size. Keep on cooking till the carrots turn soft and make sure to stir it in between. Then add around 300 grams of cooked lentils. I'm using brown lentils for this recipe, followed by 200 ml of tomato puree and basil leaves. Mix everything and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes over low heat. Now it's time to add the condiments. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give it a mix and cook till you get the right consistency on the sauce. I like the bolognese sauce to be a little thicker, so I'm going to cook for a longer time. Stir it occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan and burn. Now it's time to garnish. Add some fresh basil leaves and half teaspoon of oregano and check for salt just in case. And the vegan lentil bolognese is ready. Time to serve. I like mine over some pasta, but you can serve this with rice, bread or even naan and chapatis. The smell of spaghetti pasta. Love it. Check out the description section for the recipe of cooking the perfect pasta. Look at that. You can make this with different vegetables, add more vegetables if you like, or whatever you have at hand, and also you can always control the spice level. This is a perfect meal for the family and can be prepared in large quantities so easily as no prior preparation is needed. So if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipment and ingredients I use in the description section. You can find the written recipe of this video on my website foodatomic.com. If you're still looking for more vegan videos, check out this playlist right here. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.